everybody, it's Neil, and so I've been doing a lot of yard work outside, and I've been getting eaten alive by the fire ants that we have here in Texas. And I'm also going in a couple of months on a safari to Africa, and so I want to be able to ease my pain with the bites and stuff. I'm actually going to give the thing a try right now. My foot is itching. I don't need to show you necessarily it on my foot, but I'll show you what this device is. So the way it works is, I'll open it up here. So I've got the instructions here. So it's a little heat device. So it's supposed to stop the itching and help you by providing heat, like almost burning it off. Basically, here's the instructions. If you really want to see it, you can pause it and zoom in. And this is the box, and it is by Hygekeep. So here you go. So this is what it looks like here. So got the package off. So it looks like it's got a 3 and 6 second timers. Let's see, does it have battery? Oh, it has batteries, but it has a little battery cover. So it's got the little plastic need to remove. So let's see if this works now. Comes with some batteries, which is nice. Okay. Oh, I pushed the button and it made a noise. Oh yeah, it's heating up the end there. Oh, so it turns on the light. So okay, so the light turns on, and it looks like it's gonna, and it stays on for the 6 seconds. So you know how long to keep it on there. So I'm gonna give this thing a try here on my foot. Oh yeah, I'm gonna pick this one right here, this ant bite. Stick it right, where is it? Right there. Okay, pushing the button. It's getting warm. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's super hot. And now it's off. So it doesn't seem to leave a mark or anything. So let's see if we're gonna see if that works and if it stops the itching. Because these things are driving me crazy. Here's one here. I've actually scratched the heck out of it already, so it's already kind of broken through. But I'm gonna try this thing here and try this one as well. So push the button. Oh, it's heating up. And there it's going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's doing its 6 second thing. And now the heat is off, so it burned whatever it was. So we'll see if this helps and gets rid of the pain. So it's a very cool little device. Hopefully this will come in handy. It says it provides temporary relief for the itching and pain from the insect stings and bites, such as bees, wasps, and mosquitoes, by temporarily increasing localized blood flow. So it is only a temporary thing, so have to keep using it, I guess, throughout the day and hope that it goes away. But it's a very cool little device, and you know, actually it's not itching at the moment, so I'm guessing it maybe did something, or maybe just the process of doing it scratched it. But it's pretty cool. I'm going to keep using this thing, and I'll update you in a few months or whatever and see how it goes. But for right now, so far, I'm going to give this thing a thumbs up, because actually I'm not even itching right now in those 2 spots that I just did. So kind of cool. So thumbs up from me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and the link for this is in the description, so you guys can pick one of these up for yourselves. Pretty cool.